Hey there, English adventurers, it's Adam here. Welcome back to another episode of English Adventure, the podcast where language meets real life and learning becomes an exciting journey. Today, I'm diving into something that every English learner has struggled with at some point. Have you ever caught yourself translating every single word in your head before speaking? Yeah? Me too, been there, done that. It slows you down, doesn't it? Here's the good news. In this episode, I'll show you how to train your brain to think in English naturally, clearly, and confidently. Because once your brain starts thinking in English, everything becomes easier. Speaking, listening, even writing. So if you're ready to stop translating and start thinking like a fluent English speaker, stay with me. Let's jump right in. Let's start with a big question. Why is thinking in English so important? Well, when you always think in your native language and then translate, your brain is doing double the work. First, it builds the sentence in your language, then scrambles to find the English words. And sometimes, the translation just doesn't work. Take this for example. Someone might translate "I am cold" directly into "I have cold," which sounds a little strange in English, right? When you train your brain to think directly in English, you stop getting stuck in translation. You start forming sentences like a native speaker, fast and smooth. And confidence, it skyrockets. You won't pause and panic mid-conversation. You'll just respond naturally. It even improves your listening. You'll understand movies, music, and conversations without scrambling to decode every sentence. And here's another bonus: pronunciation. When you think in English, you hear the language in your mind the way native speakers say it. That rhythm and flow, it starts to feel natural. So just to recap, thinking in English helps you speak faster, boosts confidence, improves listening, and sharpens pronunciation. Pretty powerful, right? Before we jump into how to train your brain, let's talk about what might be holding you back. Mistake number one, the big one, relying too much on translation. If you always translate in your head before speaking, your brain never learns to think in English directly. It's like riding a bike with training wheels forever. You won't build real balance that way. Mistake number two, overthinking grammar. Trying to make every sentence perfect before speaking will only slow you down. Yes, grammar matters, but even native speakers mess it up sometimes. And guess what? They just keep talking. Mistake number three, fear of making mistakes. This one is huge. So many learners are scared to speak or think in English because they might say something wrong. But mistakes are part of the learning process. They're how you grow. And finally, mistake number four, not surrounding yourself with enough English. If your daily environment is 99% your native language, your brain will keep choosing that language first. That's why immersion, real, daily contact with English is key. So let's recap the four big mistakes. 1. Translating everything. 2. Overthinking grammar. 3. Fear of making mistakes. 4. Not living in an English-rich environment. If any of these sound familiar, don't worry, because now we're getting to the good stuff. How to train your brain to think in English. Let's break it down into 6 simple steps. These are small habits, but they make a big difference. Step 1. Name things around you in English. Look around right now. What do you see? A chair? A notebook? A cup of tea? Say it in English. Even better, describe it. This tea is hot. The notebook is blue. Simple? Yes. Effective? 100%. Step 2. Talk to yourself in English. Sounds weird, right? But it's amazing for fluency. When you're cooking, walking, brushing your teeth, say what you're doing in English. I'm cutting onions. The pan is hot. You're not performing. No pressure. It's just you and your thoughts in English. Step 3. Use an English to English dictionary. Stop using dictionaries that translate into your native language. If you don't know the word excited, look it up in English. Feeling very happy and eager. That way, you connect ideas in English without switching back to your native language. Step 4. Think in simple sentences first. Don't jump straight into complex grammar. Start with small thoughts. I'm hungry. The sky is blue. Then, over time, they'll naturally get longer and more detailed. Step 5. Create an English inner voice. Imagine having a tiny version of you in your head, but speaking English. When you plan your day, ask yourself, what should I do first? Answer, maybe I'll have breakfast. This habit makes English your brain's default setting. Step 6. Surround yourself with English. Watch English shows. Listen to podcasts like this one. Read short articles or books. The more English you consume, the more your brain starts thinking in it. Let's run through those 6 steps quickly. 1. Name things around you in English. 2. Talk to yourself. 3. Use an English dictionary. 4. Think in simple sentences. 5. Build an inner English voice. 6. Surround yourself with English. Ready to take it even further? Let's turn these tips into daily practice. Action places. Because consistency is what builds fluency. Daily exercise number 1. Start and end your day in English. When you wake up, think, today is Thursday. I have a meeting at 9. I'll go for a walk in the evening. Before bed, reflect in English. I finished my work. I watched a funny video. I feel tired. This switches your brain to English mode at the start and end of the day. Exercise. Number 2. Set a no translation rule. 30 minutes a day. For 30 minutes, challenge yourself. Think only in English. If it's hard, that's okay. Push through. It gets easier. Exercise. Number 3. Talk to yourself out loud. Just a few minutes a day. I'm making coffee. It smells great. I'll drink it while reading. Your voice becomes your teacher. Exercise. Number 4. Use English during simple tasks. Cooking, driving, cleaning. Think in English as you go. The water's boiling. I'm adding the rice. These small moments add up. Exercise. Number 5. Keep an English journal. At the end of your day, write a few lines. What did I do today? What was good? What do I want tomorrow? Don't worry about mistakes. Focus on expressing yourself. Recap of daily practices. 1. Start and end your day in English. 2. No translation rule for 30 minutes. 3. Talk out loud to yourself. 4. Use English during daily tasks. 5. Keep a journal. Okay, let's be real. Even with the best tips, you'll face challenges. That's totally normal. Challenge 1. Your brain keeps switching back to your native language. Solution? Be patient. Start small, just words or phrases. Train slowly, like a muscle. Challenge 2. You don't know the right word. Don't stop. Describe it in simple English. Can't remember refrigerator? Say, the cold box that keeps my food. Challenge 3. You feel stuck or think you're not improving. This is the hardest one. Progress can feel invisible, but it's there. Keep a voice recording. write in your journal, talk in front of a mirror. Then check back in a few weeks, you'll see growth. Most of all, remember, fluency doesn't mean perfection. It means progress. Wow, we've covered a lot today. Thinking in English isn't magic. It's a habit. It's a journey. But if you stay consistent, patient, and open to mistakes, you will get there. So let me ask you, what's one strategy from today's episode that you're going to try first? Let me know in the comments, or message me on our English Adventure channel. And if this episode helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on making English a real part of your life. Until next time, keep practicing, keep thinking in English, and as always, happy learning, adventurer, and see you in the next episode.